Got my Camo skull back from Chris Melvin with Pin Oak Taxidermy in Great Falls, South Carolina. Man, I tell you, I'm really pleased with this thing. It looks really slick. You can see how intricate the design on this thing is. And Chris said he's got about 30 different camo designs he can do for you. And I just want to give y'all kind of a different view, up close HD, of what the stuff looks like. I also saw this morning a different design where somebody had the whole thing dipped. I mean, they dipped their antlers and everything, so you could even do that if you want to, but I'm pretty pleased with this one. So if you're interested, just give Chris Melvin a call here at Pin Oak Taxidermy.